Jabin? How are you, Jabin? Jabin? How's Jabin today? How are you? You okay? Here's your balloon, Jabin. Yay! Morning, Tita! Morning! Oh. Lo. Pasok ka? How's your balloon? Yes.
Bagamat namin ang positibo ang mga kahalayang tinamo ng menor de edad na si Dayan sa kanyang ama
Jabin, good morning. How are you, Jabin? That's Jabin. He just woke up and he loves playing balloons.
Because bata siya, batang walang malay. So,
How are you, Jabin?
kapag hindi natin na-establish yung bababal ko, dapat talagang within the prescription period may tinatawag nila.
Hello. Say hello. Say hello. Jabin.
Sa nabatahan na raw ang inaligayan na si Amor kung tama nga ba ang naging desisyon kung saan ang sinasama. Kaya personal na nag-offer si Amor sa aming tanggapan, kasama ang ilang mga kapitbahay nito para muling makita ang video na kuha ni Elisa. Dito na tuluyang natauhan.
That's Jabin.
Walang bilang sa kanyang mga nakita.
That's Jabin.
Wala ako sa kanya na hindi sa galing mong nakilala.
Hello. Say hello. Hello, everyone. My name is Jabin Christopher. Come on. Say good morning. Say good morning, everyone.
During the course of the interview between the media,
Wow.
ang sabi ko dito, nung oras na yun, ay siya nagsasabi.
Say hello. Say hello.
Panood ko yun. So, I was more
Yeah. Oh, here we go. Oh, Jabin. Oh, here we go. Come on, get up. Get up. Oh, what are you doing? Oh, he's having his tantrum. He wants to hold the camera. Oh, come on, let's... Okay, come on, come on. Come on. Let's have your breakfast. Oh, my goodness. Hello.
Ngayon, kung tayo ay nakafind out after that, nakakuha tayo ng ebidensya.
Hello. Say hello.
Pag-imbestiga, pwede naman natin yung ordinary.
Naughty boy. Naughty, Jabin. That's naughty. That's naughty, Jabin.
Ang 20 anyos na si Dayan.
Oh, get up, get up.
Nasa puso nila.
Naughty, Jabin.